Local beekeepers were called in last week to relocate a beehive that appeared behind the Southwestern College baseball field. The hive began to expand underneath an irrigation system that provides a cool environment for the bees.
The more bee species diversity we have, the more efficiently we'll produce flowers. We'll have more food with larger flowers and larger food.
Southwestern has before sent exterminators to deal with the problem, but after student complaints, administrators began to use a different method that does not involve any extermination.
I think people's awareness needs to be greater. In our urban environments, we need to not worry about poisoning, or we need to not worry about them hurting us because we just need to protect them. I don't want to have any less diversity as it is. We need to preserve all the ecological diversity we can.